What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you are new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNC20 token on the Theta blockchain. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done like a real person or like a live feed video. I'm trying to test a couple things out in terms of my videos that I would like to do in terms of editing and the process, so we'll definitely see how things go. I would like to show some more, like, I guess, FaceTime, you can kind of say. I do film on an iPhone, so there's a pun there if you like to hear that, but we'll see how things go. But we'll definitely go on to more updates, so definitely bear with me. Like I said, definitely check out all the links down below in the description. So today's video, we do want to highlight one more, that Theta.AI, more type of utilities and projects that's going to be up and coming for 2023 and so on and so forth. So going on to Twitter, we're going to actually go on to Theta Explorer first and see what the current price is. So currently in the making of this video, we're going to see that Theta is currently at that 74-cent mark, almost at the 75-cent mark, as well as T-Fuel floating around the 3-cent mark. We do see all the other dApps on the Theta main chain down below, along with that Theta drop or that T-drop price. Going on to Twitter like we normally do, we're going to see here that Lavita.AI, the first privacy-preserving genomic and health data marketplace powered by AI, blockchain, and Theta Network. We definitely already knew this, especially with whole ThetaCon event that actually occurred earlier of December of 2022. Really fortunate to actually be a part of that. I'm really looking forward to 2023. I do have, you can probably see it too much about my lanyards from the event itself, so really looking forward to networking and meeting more individuals who are part of the community, and really looking forward to grow a part of the community as well as these projects. So going on to the actual page itself for Lavita, I do want to dive in just a tad bit. So going on to their homepage, you do see that the first private health data marketplace powered by Web3, AI, blockchain, and you. Lavita is a blockchain AI-based next-generation healthcare platform enabling the use of massive biomedical data sets for research while preserving individual privacy and ownership of data. Our vision is to usher in a new era of privacy-preserving genomic and health data sharing and analysis to improve 8 billion lives globally. So as you can tell, of course, we do have to start somewhere in terms of the whole build-up. We can't disrupt a whole ecosystem altogether, otherwise that'll just cause chaos. Coming to that type of point, we do have to understand that you have to start small, scale, and from there, other things are going to be able to adapt. So essentially, we can't disrupt the entire marketplace right now because of, like I just said, that will wreak havoc. So in going into a little bit more details about this overall Lavita.AI, we're going to see down below here about the next generation privacy preserving genomic and health data marketplace. Like I mentioned, here is the core team. So if you do want to take a little quick pause right here, definitely do that so you can do your own research. Definitely, this video is never financial advice. I try to provide as much information for the Theta Network, the Theta community. So going on to a little bit more, we do want to see some of the components. So 5 key core components of Lavita platform, seeing that the Lavita platform consists of 5 integral modules: decentralized blockchain, secure data storage, secure computation, example secure hardware, multi-party computation, homomorphic encryption, zero knowledge proof, and differential privacy, AI supported research and validation applications, for example research engine, data validation tool, and secure key management. So as you can tell, here are the other type of links. Right here says one. It looks like it might be like the 5 core components that's listed, like I mentioned earlier. So scrolling down just a little bit, you do see the decentralized blockchain powered by Theta subchain. Nice having that Theta mentioned on their website altogether, just to show that the whole partnership is growing. So we'll definitely see how things go from there. You do see a little bit of a timeline, or actually how the whole system will be incorporated with this process. Scrolling down a little bit more, you do see that the users go in the data upload, they'll go to the Theta Edge network as well as the Theta metachain, and then it kind of revolves around that. Go into the secure computing, in the whole process of Theta Network altogether, the nice loop of integration for the consumer and the project itself, so that you would get rewarded in tokens. I do really want to highlight, this is what I do want to mention, seeing that once you, I believe, actually no, not this one, it's going to be a little bit more. Here is the ecosystem altogether in terms of how the secure key management for private data is going to be utilized, just because when you do think about health, altogether, you do want your privacy. Everyone wants their privacy so that doesn't get leaked, and integrating it with blockchain, which has been known to have some sort of hacking issues or things like that. We do want to get it right, so of course this will definitely take some time. There is a roadmap and timeline of when they want things to be done. When I say they, I do say Lavita, and I'm sure Theta Network wants certain things to be done, so we'll definitely highlight that roadmap in a little bit as well. So going over here, we're going to see some of the dApps and what else they're going to be informing. So the secure genomic comparison, clinical trial matching as ancestral profiling. In terms of the actual project itself, if you do want to highlight it all together, definitely check these links out down below in the description so that you guys can stay up to date with all the information like I've mentioned multiple times. And here's the development roadmap. So starting off with Q1 of 2023 of this year, we do have the alpha stage, testnet decentralized blockchain infra setup powered by Theta subchain, target token generation event, white paper 1.0 publication and technical documentation. Going on the Q2, we do have Alpha 2, the pilot, decentralized secure computing with Intel SGX, AI-powered Q&A engine, and of course here is more of the Q3 as well as Q4, Beta 1 and Q3. Q4 we have Beta 2, advanced healthcare data and analytics tool, AI-powered data validation tool, and then going on to Q1 of 2024. Kind of crazy to even say. We literally just started 2023, so we're already looking at the highlights for 2024. Kind of ridiculous. Well, ridiculous in a good sense, I would like to say. So looking at 2024, it looks like the target launch is for next year. The beta clinical patient matching system launched Lavita platform V1. And here are their documents, apps, and the platform overview is probably what I wanted to highlight. I just couldn't find it at first. So as you can tell here, the Lavita platform, a decentralized data marketplace. So looking at this loop, you do that the health provider offer health services, you get the data contributor contribute private data into the data miner, which is automated biomedical research with AI, compensate with tokens to the data contributor, as well as pay health services with tokens. So essentially, by utilizing this program, you're going to be able to get your health visits as well as pay for those health visits from this ecosystem for utilizing this type of platform. So altogether, it has a nice benefits or like a nice vision and mission as to what it would like to do in terms of health overall. I'm working in the healthcare field, so I'm always an advocate for always staying healthy, doing the best you can, eating right, exercising, things like that. So this would be a nice, interesting platform to get a lot of people into it, exactly. So staying healthy from all together. So we'll see how things go. I'm sure there might be some televisits. I'm not too sure. Of course, this is just starting up, so there's going to be a lot more updates. So definitely stay tuned for what else is more to come. Scrolling down just to see what else is there, seeing the user workflow. So it's like mobile app to create encrypted profile, contribute and manage personal health data, aggregated encrypted data used in studies, earn digital token, the cryptocurrency. So I believe that would be the Lavita token. So there's going to be so many other type of components and information that's going to be presented, I'm sure, within the upcoming months as well, maybe even upcoming weeks. But like I said, this will definitely take some time. You can't disrupt an entire ecosystem that's already been established, like bigger networks, because that would cause chaos. We have to start small, especially when it comes to blockchain, and build up from there, and then it'll be able to easier to adopt other platforms that are already created so that it doesn't disrupt that whole ecosystem, like I just said multiple times on this video. But altogether, if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link down below if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 tokens on the Theta blockchain, as well as my Theta wallet address. If you learned a little bit something in this video, I really would appreciate any kind of Theta, TFuel, or TNT20 donation, or commenting down below is what I also like. I try to stay engaged with the community altogether. That's why I try to do these real like in-person type of vibes when it comes to these videos. But really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Definitely comment down below also what you like to prefer in terms of video style. I'll try to do a little bit of both just to keep it up and mix it up a little bit. But until the next video, guys, thank you again for watching if you made it all the way through. But until the next one, it's your boy Justin Vassetti. So try to keep up. Hi, deuces.